Welcome back everyone. In today's video, we shall learn about a village that has only one resident. The name of the village is Monowi. Monowi is an incorporated village in Boyd County, Nebraska, in the United States. According to the 2010 census, it has a population of only one. Yes, in this village, there is only one resident who live in this village. And that resident manages all the work herself. It is the only incorporated municipality in the United States with such a population. The sole resident is Elsie Eiler, and she is the mayor as well as the librarian and bartender. Bartender means someone who makes and serves drinks in a bar. And she has thus been the subject of interesting stories. According to tradition, the name Monowi means flower in an unidentified Native American language. Monowi was so named after many wildflowers growing at the original site of the village. A post office was established in Monowi in 1902 and it was remained in operation until 1967. Monowi's peak years were in 1930s when it had a population of 150. It lost its younger residents to cities that were experiencing growth and offering better jobs. Actually, the younger residents went to other cities to get better job. During 2000 census, the village had a total population of only 2, and they were a married couple. Rudy and Elsie Eiler lived there. Rudy was the husband of Elsie Eiler. Rudy died in 2004, leaving his wife as the only remaining resident. In this image, we can see the images of Rudy and his wife, Elsie Eiler. And now, Elsie Eiler is the only resident in Monowi city. She acts as a mayor, granting herself a liquor license and paying taxes herself. She has to produce a municipal road plan every year to secure state funding for the village's 4 street lights. Actually, Elsie Eiler manages all the work herself, from making plan for the village and also for the development of the village. Although the village is almost abandoned, it has a bar called the Monowi Tavern. Actually, tavern means a wine shop. So here we can see the image of the tavern, and this tavern is operated by Eiler for passing trade. In addition to that, Eiler maintains a 5,000 volume Rudy's library in Monowi, and that library was founded in the memory of her late husband Rudy. So the fact is really surprising that only one resident can manage so many things in a village, and it is very inspiring that one person can manage all these things herself. So this was today's video. If you like this video, please give a like and share this to your friends and relatives. Thank you all. We are meeting in the next video.